Why is it called that? Okay. This is very interesting. 사랑해요, 고마워요. I don't know how this works. Okay. I don't even know how well it sounds, but hey man, it's okay. It's like my first one. So, I guess it's cool. Yeah, no, we're not gonna do webcam today. No, there's no way. Alright, I just wanted to say thank you. I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna be watching this live because it's the first day, but if you are watching this as a video, welcome to my step one, day one of being a software developer. And in the olden times, well, I'm speaking such terrible English right now, hold on. So, in the olden times, there was a point where I did use this software, this website, not software, this website, the point where I used this website, and I did finish, I finished this one, and then this one, and I think, there was no applied visual design when I was taking it, so I did this one. I didn't finish all of it. I finished this one. There was no debugging. This one. But since it's been a whole year and I haven't really touched the basics of this, I'm going to be starting off learning from scratch all over again. So I will probably go through this pretty fast. So if you have any questions, make sure to go on my Twitter and just send me a message, because I will be checking my Twitter from now on. So if you have any questions, make sure to check my Twitter. It's in the link down below. So let's just get started. It's the first day. I'm not going to be doing a lot. I'm probably just going to do like an hour or two and then finish it off. So here we go. I hope I don't bore you to death. I'll pull on some nice music that might put some of you to sleep. Give me a second. Let me just pull up something. Wow. Why is it making me do this? Hold on. Sorry. Ads. I should not have ads. Okay. Please work. What's this? Most of my music consists of Asian and just Asian music, Korean, Chinese, Japanese. So yeah, sorry if it puts you to sleep. Let's go. Welcome to the Free Code Camp's HTML coding challenges. These will walk you through web development step by step. First, you'll start by building a simple web page using HTML. You get code in your code editor, which is embedded into a website. In this website, Okay, do you see the code in your edit that says hello? That's an HTML code. Most HTML elements have an opening tag and closing tag. Yes, of course they do. It tags look like this. Yes, I get it. Okay, cool. Run the test. Should I have said hello? Yes, it says hello world. Oh, let's just fix that real quick. In every programming, we want to. Oh, give me a second. I just realized something. I should not be showing you that. My forms. I think it's under keybinds. I'm gonna get rid of that for now. There we go. Alright. Boom. Alright. Go to the next challenge. Great. Over the next few lessons, we'll build an HTML cat pro photo web piece by piece, and you will be adding in this step. Alright, in this step will be element tells the browser about the structure of your database, blah blah blah. It's a generally used for subheadings and also H3, H4 elements to indicate different levels of subheadings. We're gonna do something a little different that I don't usually do. Is it called sticky notes? It's called sticky notes. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to sticky notes. Yes, that one. Why not? Yes, just show everyone my stuff. Why not? Okay, we're going to. I've never done this before. So, boom. Can everybody see? Good so, right? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna put this as HTML basics, and we're just gonna take some notes. So H2 element used for subheading. Boom. Just something simple for me to remember. This element tells the browser about the structure of various elements. Okay. H3, H4, H5, and H6. So okay. Other multi-number elements for different levels of subheading. It might seem tedious, but I'm gonna probably go back and fix this up a little bit. Alright, fine. Add an H2 that says cat photos app to create a below. Okay, so we just gotta do this real quick. Simple. Let's see if it doesn't do it for you. Okay, that's fine. Cat photo app. Great. Alright, see, it says it. And then we run the test, and it says we're good. Alright, next. PR, paragraph text key is short for paragraph. You can create a paragraph like this. Yes, okay. I'll do that too. So P stands for paragraph. Graph elements. Perfect, okay. So what does it want us to do? Below that, give it a hello paragraph. That's fine. That's not that hard. Hello paragraph. I don't know if it's tedious about like cases, uppercases and stuff, but we'll just go with it. He's lorem ipsum text. Okay, it's translated by Cicero. I did not know that. See, that's something interesting. Lorem ipsum. Cicero of ancient Rome. Just something to keep track of. Some text has been used as a placeholder. I knew that. Well, 5 centuries is long enough since we're really, this is just something called kitty ipsum text. What does it want me to do? Inside your, okay. So it just wants us to put this. Kitty, I can't spell, ipsum, dollars. I think that's enough. I don't think it's, it's not going to tell me that I did it wrong. Yeah, and it gives it to me, nice. Commenting is a way that you leave comments. Commenting is also a convenient way. Yeah, I knew that, okay. Commenting is done with 2 dashes and ends with 2 more dashes. Okay. On comment, just delete wants. There we go. Great. Next. Remember that editor 2. Okay. End the comment with your H2 beginnings. Comment out your H1 element and your P element, but not your H2 element. So what it wants us to do is H1 element and your P element, but not your H2 element. So it just wants us to do this real quick. So whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Do that. It's been a while. Okay, yeah, so that's all it wants. Perfect. Okay. Your phone doesn't have much vertical space since we understand, so that we can start building our code. Okay. Yeah, the hello world is just something that most programmers write in their very first line of code. Okay. HTML5. What did I learn? I think I did learn HTML5. Pretty sure this hasn't been updated. Okay, so HTML5 introduces more deceptive thema. These include header, footer, nav, video, article, and section. Interesting. Easier to read, also help with search engine optimization. See, I never learned this. HTML5 helps search engines identify the main content of your page. Create a P element after the existing P element with the following kitty syntax. Okay, so it just wants another P element, I'm guessing. Okay, yeah, see, it doesn't do anything. I thought if I just click P and then space, press enter, it would do something, but it doesn't, which is fine. Just thought it would do something. The couch, scratch, sun. I wonder if it wants me to write everything. I mean, hell, it's fine. It's good for my. It's good for. I can't type. I can't speak either. It's good because I haven't typed in forever, so this will get me back into the need of things, so typing. I hope. See, this is what I mean. I can't type. Okay. Run the test. I missed something. Your code should have one main element. Wrap the paragraphs with the with an opening and closing main tag. So this, I'm guessing, is what it wants. And then ending the main. I'm gonna guess that's what it wants. Perfect. Yeah. So next. Anchor elements linked content outside of your webpage. Oh, can't. So cute. Anchor elements could link to content outside of your webpage. Anchor elements need a destination mode. This is called webpage. Hyper something, I think is what it means. Also, they also need anchor text. For example, so this is the link, and if I click it, then that's what happens. Okay, create an A element that links to. Where do you want me to create it? Just anywhere? Okay, I guess just create it right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna create it right on top where it wants it. So, an href is equal to, what does it want? I mean, why would I even type that up? Just copy and paste. I'll remember it. And then after that, you want to close the href. Ah, okay, I understand. And then this is, it has a K, so this is the A. So if I do that, and then I close the A element, then it should. I don't know if I like it there though. Can I do this? Is this something? No, it's not. Okay. Well, it's gonna look ugly until we learn. I don't really want to. I don't have the money right now. Maybe once I learn programming and then get a job, I will definitely come back and get more money to the place where helping my coding. Yeah, English. You know what I mean. This will be used to create internal links to jump to different sections within a web page. To create an internal link, you assign a link's hash symbol. Okay. Okay. Save ID magic. linking to an ID is an attribute that uniquely describes an element. Internal anchor link to an ID. Okay, so it goes to the context header, and the context header is the ID. So if I click context, it'll take me there. So basically, this is like a door, and if I click the button, then the door opens and it leads me to this room. And so IDs have a hashtag in front of them because that links what this is. So the ID is context header, and then the hash makes it the context header. Okay. Change your external link to an internal link by changing it to footer. So it wants me to change this to a hashtag footer. Is that what it wants? I think that's what it wants, right? Okay, to footer, and the text from cat photos to jump to bottom. Okay, so if I do this, it should work. So if I click this, okay, it did something. I don't know what it did, but it did something. Okay. Okay. The target is blanket. Ah, see, I didn't listen. So that makes it so it puts me in another page. Okay. Then add an ID attribute to the value of footer. And okay, so I just do ID is equal to footer. I think, right? I think so. Let's see. There, yeah, perfect. Great. I'm running the tests. There's something wrong. The A text should be jump. Oh, see, it is. There it is. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's just think. This symbol is for ID elements. For IDs. An A href makes it so I can link internal or external. I don't want to say links because I've already said links. External things, objects, no, it's not objects, though. Things, describe things. Nest links within another text element. Interesting. Oh, so that's just meaning like inside the paragraph. Like, so like, let's say I had this paragraph and then like you wanted this to be the link, it would just be kitty and then I click this and it would take me to this page. Okay. Here, normal text is wrapped with the P element. Next is the anchor. Yes. So A stands for anchor. Anchor. HR, yeah. Okay. Here. A stands for anchor. Okay. Anchor element, which requires the closing tag. Okay. Blank is open. Okay, so blank. All the things I'm learning. So target is an anchor tag. Blank makes it open on a new link tab. Okay. And then the text with the column shown. Now nest your A within the so I want another P element. Ah, okay, yes. Okay, so it wants a new P element. So inside the P element, it should say. Should have say view more cat photos, where cat photos is a link. So this is the link. So href is equal to, I don't know if it matters, but we'll put that there still. And then to end it off, you always need to finish with the thing. There we go. Now if I run the test, your A element should be nested within your P element. Is it not? I thought it was. Am I missing something? Your A element should be nested within your new P element. Is it not nested? I thought it was nested. Am I not understanding something? So view more, and then check photos. You're an A element. This is not a new P element. I don't understand. Did I mess up somewhere? View more, because it's telling me to put view more, and then my A element, my anchor tag is this, right? Oh wait, hold on. Just after the main. Ah. I think it's because so just after this element, it wants me to put it right here, I think. I don't know that. Okay, P, A element, P. Hold on. Give me a second. That's not what? It is nested within my P element though. Alright, maybe I'll get a help. Ask for help. Where's the read search ask? Get a hint. Okay. Open tag? Yes. Close tag. That's exactly what I did. P element, P element. A element, A element. Am I missing something? Okay, maybe it's just the fact that it didn't register in a P element. Let's try that again. Hold on. Okay. Okay. I don't understand. Okay. Maybe just reset the entire code and rewrite all of it. Okay. Okay. View, more. I don't know what was wrong with it. That was very interesting. Okay, sometimes you need to add, you want to add 8 elements to your website before you know where they will link. This is also handy when you're saying that behavior of a link using current value of the itch out is a link that points to. Okay. You want me to create a dead link, okay? Great, dead link. Cool. Create dead links. Use only in the link. Okay. Okay. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay. Boom. Okay, create a bulleted unordered list. UL unordered list. No numbers. Followed by list elements. Okay, so do I get rid of this? Okay, well, I guess I do. I think that's what it wants. I don't know. What do cats like? Yarn? Most cats like yarn. There we go. So that's UL. This makes ordered list sub. What do cats hate? I don't know. Water? Cats hate water. Dogs, maybe? And then, what do cats hate? Rats? I feel like cats hate rats. Okay, now let's create a web form. Next, we're going into input elements. Input from users. Oh, okay. Let's input like this. Input the type, text, boom. Don't know what that did, but did something. They are self-closing. Ah. That's interesting. Okay, well. Okay. Next, we have form action. Submit data to server. Okay. Nest your text field inside a form element. So the text field is this, I'm guessing. So it wants me to do this. And the add the action, submit can't load up. And then end it off with a form. I'm guessing. Wow, that worked. Okay. And that's done through. That's done through a form action is equal to what you want to do. I'm gonna say pH for placeholder, and then end with another form, and then say this is code. Alright, let's submit a button. Let's add a submit button to your form. Clicking this button will send the data from your form with your specified submit button. Okay. So I'm guessing that goes below. Okay. It's not hard. Go to submit. Submit. Button. There you go. Oh, interesting. I didn't know you had to put it inside the form. Okay. You can require a specific form field so that your user will not be able to submit until he or she has filled them. To make a text input field required, then you're like this. Okay. I don't wanna let you go away. Wanna let you go away. Yeah. Okay. How far have I gotten into this curriculum? Not bad. I'm almost done with basic HTML. Check, nest. Okay. We're going to talk about deviations. Alright. That's good. Alright. It would only give you one answer out of multiple. So, like. Sorry, give me 1 second. Night mode. There we go. Perfect. Because I hate looking at light. It's just so terrible. Okay. I'm going to give you one answer on multiple. Okay. 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 Okay, so inside a label, okay. Okay. So does this mean I do it inside or outside? Radio buttons to your form. It says to my form. So I'm guessing it's inside. Let's just see, shall we? I mean, why not? Okay. Ah, so that's what I wanted. Cool. Why does it keep asking me? Stop! Okay. More than one answer. Have an input, each translate. Okay, I need to start taking notes on this. So next we have labels, and labels are a form for different types of buttons. Radio to checkbox buttons. Needing a name element, a similar name element, for them to be interlocked. I think that's the right word. And the way to write a label is label for is equal to placeholder label, and then inside the label we have an input ID, placeholder, type equal to radio or checkbox, and then the name, which is another placeholder. Cool. That ends off the input, and then another placeholder for the name. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm guessing it wants it after this. At the right moment. Ooh. Alright. Stop. So what? Personality, okay. So, personality. Funny? That's one. I feel like that's a good label. Funny. And then in here we want the inputs. ID is equal to funny. type is equal to checkbox. And then name is equal to personality. That's what it said, right? Personality. Perfect. And then I close that off and I say funny. Perfect. Next label. Just make a bunch of these. Funny. Serious. Serious. Smart. Is being smart a personality? Funny, serious. Quiet? Is quiet a personality? I feel like being quiet is a personality. I don't know, man. Quiet. There you go. Funny, serious, and quiet. And it should work. Perfect. Right time at the right moment. Yeah, see, okay. Success error been checked by default using the checked attribute. For example, the first of your radio buttons and the first of both radio buttons. Okay. It's this one, yeah. So checked. And then this we checked. Perfect. Alright. Nest many elements within a single div element. Now we're getting into div. The div element should also known as division element. So now we've gotten past input elements and into div or division element. The general purpose container for other elements. Container for other elements. Perfect. Let's see this. Okay. Elements. Great. Now, let's create some nicer outline. Hold on. I don't know what's a good color. Green's a good color. Fine, whatever. The div element is probably the most commonly used HTML. Nest your things cats love and things cats hate. Alright. I just want to nest that within the div element. Okay. The trends so far have covered HTML elements and their uses. However, there are a few elements that give all overall structure. At the top of your document, you need to tell the browser which version of HTML your page is using. Tell the browser this information by adding doc type HTML. Okay. All basic files need doc type and then placeholder. And these dots. It's fine, I'll just put HTML. Next, the rest of your HTML code needs to be wrapped in HTML tags. And HTML. Next, thrust to extending staying after instrument attacks. Perfect. Any markup with the information. Okay, so carries metadata elements such as link, meta, title, style. I can't type. Perfect. Next, cascading style. Alright, now we're getting into the internal parts of the computer, like not the internal, the external, the styling and all the fun stuff that comes along with building a website. Like color, font, positioning, spacing, sizing, decoration, and transitions. Yeah, be careful with your words. Okay, there we go. So we have just finished Introduction to Basic HTML and HTML at 5. And now we're moving into the basics of CSS. And then we go into Applied Visual Design. This will be very interesting. Okay, first lesson. Now let's change the color of some of our text. We can do this by changing the style of your H2 element, the property that is responsible for the colors. Here's how you would set yours to blue. Okay, change here. So now this says text is red. Alright. So I find my H2 element, style is equal to color of red. And then, there it is, red. Let's practice. So, now we move on to basic CSS styling. Inner HTML styling, which sometimes you need to use. So, let's say, the way you do it is you get the element, and then you just go style is equal to, and then placeholder, so color, and then placeholder, and then end off with a semicolon. And then H2, like that. Great. Now I know how to run that. Say this is inner CSS styling, perfect. Next. Use CSS selectors to style elements. Properties that you can use to change the way an element looks on your page. You are styling the individual inline CSS. Cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. Okay. That's one way to specify the style element, but there's a better way to apply it. At the top of your code, create a style block like this. At the complete top, So style. Yeah, so this is the other way to do it. Inside that style, you can get CSS selectors for all. Want all illustrators to be red. To have both opening and closing. Delete your HTML and style instead of creating it. Okay, so get rid of that and just make one of these. So it's H2 and then color blue. Semicolon. I think that's it. There we go. Run test. Next, use the CSS class to style an element. So, block style. So, block style. Meaning making a block in order for you to style your HTML. Done by style, and then element, color, and then placeholder. Yeah, okay. Use a cascading style sheet class to style element. Classes are usable styles that can be added to HTML. Let's use an example. Class decoration. You see what we created called blue text within the style tag, like this. Interesting. I did not know I could make a class. CSS class. So the way class is inside the style thing. Give it a dot placeholder. Element color placeholder. And then end with a style. This makes a class for you to call inside your elements. That's interesting. Red text. Blue to red. Okay. Okay, and then I just give that my class of red text. There we go, perfect. Then to call it in your element to class is equal to, and then the placeholder. I feel like somehow I did know this, but I just forgot. If I could type, that'd be cool. Okay. So, font size is controlled by side the HTML style that continues to create. Okay, so it just wants me to make one of these. Let's set the font size to 16 pixels. Perfect. Okay. You can set which font element you use by using the font family property. There you go. Nice. We can also specify non-standard illustrators. Okay, Google Fonts, free library ones. So let's have an import and apply a Google font. To import a Google font, you can copy the font URL from the Google Fonts library. Copy the following snippet, paste it on the top of your code. Okay, so this is basically like a library. It's linking it, right? That's what it was doing. It's linking it. Okay, now you can use Lobster font. Oh, my HTML. Font family, Lobster. Just go to monospace if it doesn't do that. Alright, perfect. Using H2 to what is a selector? What's up? What's this? Selector. Ah. Okay. So, do you want me to do it on this one? I don't understand. What do you mean using H2 CSS selector? I thought I did. Okay, well. Okay. H2.
아닙니다. 아주 마음에 듭니다.
Font family. Lobster. Wow, I did the same thing. There are several default fonts that are available on browsers. Monospace, when one font is available. Okay. If you wanted to create a CSS class called larger image, then there's not some of the one we use. Class called small image. Interesting. Okay. So smaller image. Needs to resize the image so that it's only 100 pixels wide. Okay. So 100 pixels. So that it's only 100 pixels. pixels
Is
wide.
that the office? Nice.
This is equal to. What's up, brother? Equal to.
Oh, did you watch this?
I did, yes.
This is yours, I believe.
Is it? You can just leave it.
Yeah.
I thought it was yours. Cool.
Nice.
What?
Organizing.
Uh huh.
Dude, you actually have these?
Yeah, do you? I don't know how to use it, so if you want to take it, you can. I don't know if it works still. That was my Christmas gift from Jacob.
This is literally the thing that I ordered to buy to connect to the Wi-Fi. You know how I showed it to you?
Uh huh.
Yeah, so this is like a Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if it still works. You can test it out if you want.
I'm sure it does. Like, I don't imagine it. Like,
I've also got a tiny little breadboard if you want that.
I saw.
Yeah. Alright. Oh shit. Did the machine stop? The washing machine?
I don't hear it.
Okay. Yeah.
You want this?
What's that?
It's the selfie.
Oh,
thing.
pop-up thing?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Oh shit, what is this? What just fell? Ow. My legs. My legs. Oh my god, it's almost dropping. No! Stop it! You getting ready? Is that for tomorrow?
Oh, this is dirty stuff.
Oh, okay.
This is tomorrow.
Nice. I think I messed up my,
The bag.
yeah. I put it in the dryer, or the washer.
The washer.
I put it in I put it in both.
Yeah, typically the dryer like messes with that. It's why you don't put zippers in the dryer.
Well, no, there he goes, I guess. Rip.
Yeah, that's
That's gone. Just trash it.
It'll stay there. Looks like it got split. No, I think it's
It's dead. Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah.
Rip, man. I just wanted to clean it. I want to smell that. 어떡하지?
입을 잘못 벌린 박준모 씨 바로 당신 때문이야. 버텨서 봐요. 둘이 있으면 선택 그네도 있겠지.
이 밤에 술을 한잔하는 건 모두 그렇지만 나 결국 너를 잊을 걸 알면서도 이어지려는 마음이 이렇게 슬프기 때문일까 내 탓일까 지금은 너도 혹시 날 생각하다 잘못 들진 않는지 너무나 보고 싶어 1분이라도 네가 또 보고 싶어 보고 싶어
Hey, Adrian. I think these are yours.
What?
I think these are yours.
Yes. Yep.
Oh,
These are yours.
Are these mine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, yeah.
Thanks.
No problem. They were just in my clothes bin apparently.
Yeah, sometimes mine gets mixed with
Yeah.
yours.
See, I don't even know what kind of... Are you sure this is mine? Like...
Yeah, because I have a gray and a blue towel. My blue one's right here.
I think it's the same color, dude. Oh, no, there's a pair.
Yeah.
There's a pair. No problem, dude. Fuck, I don't have this room anymore. Stuff in my room, yes. Just stuff that one right. Well, I guess, damn, even after all that cleaning, it still smells like shit.
Good for please. I might help.
I don't know if it smells like, I don't know what it fucking smells like.
I'm not excited.
It's just like weird, I don't know, but the texture looks weird too, like, shit. What's the Febreze?
That one.
I want to die of chemicals today,
Yeah.
tonight, so, you know, I'm not gonna spray too much on it. I'm just gonna chuck it against the wall, hopefully the chemicals go away. started to smell like shit anymore. Anywhere. Yeah.
Did you spray the room by chance?
I did not.
Oh,
I didn't want no chemicals in my mouth. Alright, how much longer do I want to go for today? Today's day 1. I did finish, let's see, how much did I finish today? I finished,
what are you doing?
huh?
Oh, code camp.
I finished
Dude, look at you.
HTML basics. So maybe, do I want to try and finish all of CSS? I feel like it's a little too much today to take in. I did take a lot of notes too. So, maybe like right here.
What language are you doing?
Website development. I'm going completely back to the basics. This teaches me. So I haven't looked at this website. I finished all of this, but I haven't looked at this website in a year or two. And they've added so much more stuff. Like, look at that: data structures, certificate, front end library, APIs. You should know what APIs are.
Never heard of it in my life.
It's basically what you use, like, you know, the graphing thing. You know how you have like the graphing.
Oh, like plotting stuff.
Yeah. You know how you have that library.
Yeah.
An API is basically a library. This is called an API. So like, if I wanted to, like, you know how me and Jacob made that thing where there was a bot and it said like if we did like underscore meme or something and then
Yeah.
That's done through Facebook's API. It's their library. Just
So
like
you're able to access.
yeah.
That?
APIs are basically what you do, what you use to, because nobody's gonna want to write Facebook's all like entire thing.
Right.
So they have APIs. Some are accessible and some are not. And then information, blah blah blah. So all of these are 300 hours, but I have to finish the basics of responsive web design, which is another 300
They
hours.
actually give you certificate.
Yeah, it's certification. So
300.
yeah, hopefully I get a job. It's my goal. By the time that I go back to Cali, I want to be able to sufficiently say I finished at least 2 or 3 of these things and have a certificate from them. Yeah.
Didn't you used to do like that under the table website? Is this basically what that is?
Yeah. This is where I learned it from. So if you ever want to learn how to make a website, use it because it's free. It's called Free Code Camp.
Don't you have to pay?
Huh?
Don't you have to pay?
No, it's Free Code Camp.
No, like pay for a website.
There's also ways to make it free, but I don't know if you want to run that from your own computer. So that's basically it. You pay for the server time, 24/7 server time, and the domain. Those are all things you can get over though. You don't need a website. You can just have a portfolio, and in that portfolio, when you give it to job people, like when people look at you, right, and they want something from you, you just show them your portfolio. You don't have to have a website up and running. Yeah. Show them what you can do. Alright, back to borders. Let's go, dude. Mexico borders. No, I'm kidding. CSS borders have properties like style, color, and width. If we wanted to create a red pixel border around an HTML element, we could use this. Okay. Interesting. The thick green border. I'm wondering why it's not teaching the external, external CSS. Is that like later on? Is there something that I haven't learned yet? This class should have a border color, and then this border color, green. Okay. Border width 10 pixels. And solid. Okay. This is border style. Solid. And this is going to teach me bordering in CSS. That. Inside a CSS. So selector, and then this is the placeholder. Okay, cool. Next, if I run the test. Oh, okay. My bad. Alright. And then you're running apply cat photo, so I need to apply this to my cat photo. Where's my cat photo? Is this my cat photo? Wait, this is my cat photo. Okay. Thick green border. There we go, test. Perfect. Great. Next, rounded corners. Your cat photo currently has sharp corners. These border radius. Round borders requires a border radius. No, this challenge allows for multiple possible solutions. Add border radius down here. Or smaller image class. I'm gonna add it to the border thing because it's already there. So border radius 10 pixels. Run the test. Okay. Border radius. Placeholder pixels. There we go. Additional pixels you can also spend for the percentage. You can also use percentage if you don't want pixels. If that looks cute. So, given best color to the element, you can decide an element's background color to the background color property. Background color is green, we put this, create a class called silver background. Okay, so now I'm going to get silver background with the background color being silver. Then I give that to my div element. Silver background. What happens? Okay, there we go. Now we're getting into background color, which uses color background. Placeholder. Okay. So we can also have an ID attribute here. Several backups using these styles in element related. These are decided by special elements in JavaScript. It should be unique. Force this way so please don't get more than one. Whoever there's an idea how you give your got you. Give my form elements, which is right here. ID is equal to cat photo form. Put that on hold, and we're going to talk about ID element used for styling a single element to later implementing JS scripts to it. Use an ID attribute to style. One thing, cool thing that like classes can style. You have an ID is not visible. Apply to one element. Also the highest special. So if you apply the ID elements will have higher price against always when compared to any class. I don't have a class attribute. Bozo form. 5 crown color. Great. That looks ugly, but whatever. It's fine. Ah, padding. I've gotten to where I wanted to get to. Almost. 2 more curriculums, okay. Alright, now let's put our cat photo away for a little while and learn about styling. Okay. IDs can only be used once. You may have already noticed this, but I'll put it on the table. Foreign properties control those considered based in elements.
너만 있다면 행복할 것 같아 데리러 갈게 널 어디에 있든지 늦은 건 아닌
amount of space between elements content. Select border. And these are padding, margin, padding, margin, and border. Padding controls amount of space between the elements content. Here you can see that the blue box and the red box, and I said there's a yellow box, and I thought the red box is more padding. There's the blue padding. This is padding. Change the padding of your blue box, and that's going to be red box. Okay. Elements margin controls the amount of space between the elements. The amount of space between the elements border. Blue box is nested within the yellow box. The red box is a bigger margin. At a negative margin. An element's margin shows the amount of space between the element's border. So an element's margin negative less and an element's margin. Okay, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up basic CSS and move on to applied visual design. And applied visual design, by day 3 we should be done. And then So it should take me a week to finish responsive web design certification. I think maybe more, maybe a month. It might take me a month. Really depends on how well I work, but I'm very confident that I will finish it within a week or two. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are watching this as a live stream, I don't know why you're watching this live stream. It's my very first video that I'm doing of programming. I don't really have a lot of followers in programming, but I hope I helped many of you who are watching this as a video. And if you have any questions, make sure to go to my Twitter and send me a message, and I will always respond. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great